Can all babies do baby-led weaning? Well, basically, yes. Nearly all babies can try the baby-led weaning method of introducing solids, providing the correct information is provided and safety precautions are taken. If your baby has had failure to thrive and is perhaps underweight, you may want to check with your paediatrician beforehand. Also, any babies who have motor neuron problems and motor problems may not be able to feed themselves, it is a good idea to check with your paediatrician on the best way to introduce solids to these babies. Also, if your baby was born prematurely, don't forget to look at their age, their adapted age rather than their birth age before starting the weaning process.